How to sign up on Yidio. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can open or create a Yidio account. For this, go ahead and open up any web browser. Here I have opened Google Chrome. Now you want to head over to yidio.com. Once you're on this web page, in order to sign up, you want to tap on these three lines. Now tap on the login option. If you already have an account, you can simply enter your email and password in order to sign in. Otherwise, go ahead and tap on the sign up option. Once you tap on the sign up option, in order to create an account, go ahead and enter your email address. Then you want to create a password. Make sure that you're creating a strong password. Now tap on the Create Account option. By signing up for Yidio, you agree to the terms of use and privacy policy. Once you tap on the Create Account option, here it's going to give you a brief on Yidio Premium. Yidio Premium has lots of benefits, so if you want this, you can tap on the Start Your Free Trial option, or if you want to use the free version, tap on the Maybe Later option. And now, as you can see, you have been successfully signed up to the Yidio account, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.